Hello, let's see how we can solve this problem here. Okay, so now you can pause the video and do it yourself and come back and check. So now here I can rewrite this equation to be 18x divided by 2 divided by 9 to power x minus 9 to power x over 9 to power x. So I can split it like that because these two are sharing the common denominator, which is 9. So from here I can have this to be 18 over 9 because they are sharing the same power. Then here 9 to power x, we cancel this, we are going to have 1 equals 1 here. So now 18 divided by 9 will give me 2, then to the power of x. So this will be transposed to the right hand side. I'm going to be having 2, right, if this go to this side. So now ordinarily 2 is having power 1. The bases are the same, so this implies that x equals 1. So we have the solution. The x we're looking for is 1. So put it back to the equation, so you see that it's going to satisfy this. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying this class, please send it to your friends, share, so they can also benefit from it. Bye bye.